welcome to my channel. My name's Aga Tompkins and I'm a hairstylist, makeup artist. Doing this look today from my new palette that I just got, Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection. It has some amazing colors. Watch this video to learn more. I'm feeling it. This look is everything. I'm using this B5 shade. Also, can we talk about this beautiful mirror? These colors are so pigmented. They're awesome. Bit of a 60s vibe going. Wow. Look at that. It's so bold. Okay, now I'm gonna do D5. Seriously, these are like the most pigmented colors I think I've ever used in my life. I'm so impressed. And they're blending together quite nicely too, which I'm glad. This reminds me of Starry Night right now. By Van Gogh. I don't know why. Girl, look at that. They're so pretty. Yeah, I feel like these are a must-have. Now I have to buy the other one too. I feel like they're just really important to have. Like, these pigments are so good and the fallout is barely. I don't know. I'm feeling like these are hanging on solid. And I don't do blue eyes very often, but I feel like this dark blue makes it quite all right. It looks real nice. I'm doing it. It's happening. That is such a pretty color. It's like slime from Nickelodeon. I like it. I'm feeling these colors together. It made a peacock feather on its own. I didn't even think about it. I have peacock feathers tattooed on me right there. So clearly I'm a fan. C1, C1 everybody. Do I have C1? What is this, bingo? Kinda. It's like a bingo palette. That's how the numbers are. There's a helicopter flying by my house like for 10 hours now. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh, I really love this green. How cute. Real impressed. Good job. Great job. Adding a little E5 down here and here. Wow, that black, I'm gonna definitely be using that a bunch. That's a really good pigmented black. It's good. If you heard it's good, it's true. They're not lying. It's real good. I love how they blend out. They blend out really nice too. Like, I'm going to the grocery store later, people are gonna be like, people at the grocery store are gonna be real confused with my mask on, just these eyes like, hi, hello. I feel like I could just keep packing it on. All right. So I'm gonna go do my liner, lashes, and all that jazz, and then I will be right back. So I got some lashes on, and now I'm going to do my eyebrows. For my brows, I use the Brow Pro palette, and I use the darker color in the ebony and the black in the granite mixed together. I'm so impressed by these pigments. They are extremely potent. I mean, they're gorgeous. I wish I did the green a little higher on the top because you can't see it that much. Seriously, Anastasia Beverly Hills is one of my favorite makeup brands. If you've never tried their collection, any of their stuff, you really need to. Their shadows are straight up some of my favorites. The most palettes I have is from that brand, so that should tell you how I feel about them. I actually have a friend that works there, and I think based on her alone, if the people that work for that company are like her, then you know it's a good place. She's one of the sweetest people, and I've never heard a bad thing about anybody that works for their company. And I don't know, I think people should support brands that have nice staff and all that stuff. And I think that stuff's so important. Beyond having amazing products, if you have that too, then you have everything, I feel like. So yeah, I really stand by this brand. I honestly wish I had everything from their brand. Is there anything that you guys really love by them that you would suggest for me? If I don't have it, I would love to check it out. Norvina
now
palette.
I already know that I'm gonna need
the other shopping list all of a sudden. It's not a cheap palette, but the colors are so gorgeous. All their brow stuff is the best of the best. I like that they start with one thing and really hone in on that, and then do another thing and hone in on that. It feels like every product, they really take the time to make it the best it can be. They're not rushing. It seems like just to have things out there, they want like the best things, and I really can appreciate that. I've tried all their brow things and I mess with them. I do different ones. Your brows don't have to be the same every day. They don't. You could have one like this, one like this. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. That's silly. And I'm using the summer shade of the Sun Dip Glow Kit palette. It's real shimmery. Yeah, so if you want a little sparkle, there's that. And then I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of the cotton candy. I mean, if I'm doing color, I might as well go all the way, huh? My review on this palette is so much yes. It is unreal. And this is the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2. So I need Volume 1. I don't know what I was thinking. I went to number 2 before I did number 1. I don't know. I liked these colors, so I did it. But now I'm feeling like I need to get number 1 as well. But yeah. I wish I added some of that pink in there because it could have gone with my lips. I guess we'll do another look. So good. The pigments are like the best. These are like the best shadows I've ever used, I think. Seriously, they are like so well done. Add this to your collection. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate everybody that's been with me for this time that I've been doing this makeup stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. I'm feeling it.